HubSpot Marketing. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open a browser and visit www.hubspot.com. After entering the home dashboard, click the Get Started free button. Register using your Google, Microsoft, Apple, or email account. Next, enter the email verification code that was sent to your inbox. Follow the registration process by creating a password and then clicking Next. Enter your name, select your industry, and select your role. Then, enter your company name, choose the number of employees, and enter your company website. After logging in, you will see several main menus on the dashboard. The CRM menu includes contacts, companies, deals, tickets, and more. The marketing menu includes campaigns, email, social, and other marketing tools. The content menu includes website pages, landing pages, and related options. The sales menu includes workspaces and additional sales-related tools. The commerce menu includes an overview and more commerce features. The service menu includes the help desk and other support features. The data management menu includes data integration and other tools for handling data. The automation menu includes workflows for automating tasks. The reporting menu includes dashboards and reports that display various performance metrics.